Hello, dear friends. Today we see this very interesting book about Spot's first words. So, this is this little puppy. His name is Spot. We see in this interesting book the things that Spot do during his day, about his friends, about his parents. Wow, so what do we see here? This is Spot's kitchen. This is Spot and this is Spot's mama. So, what is it right now? It is breakfast time and Spot is getting the orange juice from the fridge. Spot's mom is making cheese sandwiches for the lunch. So, can you find in this book a plate? Spot is getting ready for the lunch. So, he has prepared on the dining table his plate, his fork, his knife, the mug, the spoon. Okay, and how is Spot's mom making the sandwiches? She's cutting a bread with what? With a knife. And then she will add some cheese and eggs and make yummy sandwiches with some butter in it. Do you also like orange juice? Orange juice, fresh orange juice is very healthy. Okay, so after the lunch, let's see now what does Spot do next. Okay, now Spot has gone to the farm with his father. Spot is helping his dad on the farm. And we see these are Spot's friends. This croc, his name is Tom, and this hippo, his name is Helen. Tom and Helen come along to help. But for them, playing with the wheelbarrow is more fun. So, Spot is actually helping his father by milking the cow. Do you see? This is how the cow gives milk. Spot is milking the cow and taking the milk in the bucket. Spot's father is here. And what is he doing? He's driving the tractor. Can you spot a little mouse here over the hay? Ah, yes. What else do we see in the farm? Do you like the rhyme? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So what animals do you see in the farm? Which are the farm animals? We see the cat. What does the cat do? Meow. We see the duck. It does quack quack. What else? What else? Can you find a pig? Can you find a pig? Here it is. The pig does oink oink. Okay, can you spot some sheep in this farm? I cannot. These are the small white sheep. How many? 1, 2, 3. And the sheep goes ba ba ba. What else? And the cow. It goes moo moo moo. And we see the rooster. It will do cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Such a nice farm. Have you ever visited a farm like this? I think it will be fun to go in a farm. I also see a small frog here. And the mama duck has small ducklings. Okay, let's see. What does Spot do next? The favorite thing. Now Spot has gone to the school. This is Spot's school. Is it similar to your school? Spot is at the school. Tom is playing a picture, is coloring a picture with crayons. And Spot is painting a picture on his easel. Soon they will go outside to play. Can you spot some books in his classroom? Yes, we see these books in the bookcase. Reading books is so much fun. You get to know so many things in the book. And while doing the art, while coloring the picture, you can also do some art with the scissors, glue, pencil, ruler. And what do you think is Spot painting on his easel? He just has some droplets right now. And then they will go outside to play. They will play in the slide, in the swing, in the seesaw. What is your favorite? I think it is swing, is it? Or maybe slide. Okay, so can you find the paints here? These are some paints. Can we find the school bag? This is the school bag. Can you find the lunch box? Here is the lunch box. Here is the world map. Okay, let us see what does Spot do next. Oh wow, this is my favorite activity. Spot is in the garden now watering the plants. Spot is watering the flowers. And Tom, Spot's friend, he's painting the shed. So they have a shed in their garden and Tom is painting it. What color is Tom painting the shed? He's painting it blue. So, what do you grow in your garden? So they have grown carrot, peas, onion, tomato and lettuce. We see a beautiful, colorful butterfly near the flowers. Can you spot a worm? See, there is a worm coming out here. And they have an apple tree in their garden. One apple has fallen down from the apple tree. Apple is so healthy and tasty. I love it. And this is the bird bath. Can you see? A blue bird with yellow beak having fun in the bird bath. Let's see what is next. Oh wow, now Spot has gone to the beach to play with his friends. Spot is at the beach and can't wait to go in the water. This is Spot. He's all geared up to go in the water. His friends are at the beach too. So there is his friend Steve. He's doing some fishing. So when you go on the beach, you should apply some sunscreen. You should wear your sunglasses. What do you spot in this beach? So when there are high tides, sometimes small beach animals, they come out. So do you see here starfish and crab? It has come out on the beach. Now they are making sand castle. This is the favorite thing to do on the beach. See, they've made sand castles over here. What else do you see here? Can you spot the sun for me? It is a nice sunny day. Here is the sun. And here Tom, he's flying a kite in nice wind. Where is the sailboat going? Here is the sailboat. And do you see the lighthouse? Here is the lighthouse. This is seagull. If you go to the beach, I'm sure you will spot some seagulls. Okay, this is the favorite part where you can relax, where you can eat, where you can spend some nice time with your family. This is your lovely home. It is cleaning time, and Spot and his friends, they are helping their mom to do the cleaning. See? It is so nice to help your mom when she is cleaning. Then you can finish the home houseworks very soon, and then you all can have some quality time together. So here, Mama, she's cleaning the carpet with the vacuum cleaner. The tortoise, he's helping to clean the table. He's mopping the table. What is Spot doing? Spot, he is dusting the picture here with the small broom. I'm sure you guys also help your mom do the cleaning. Tom, he's using the broom to do the cleaning. Helen, he's putting the pillows at the right place. But do you see the naughty one here? The naughty one, Steve? He's not helping. He's watching the television. He has the remote control here. Turn off the television, Steve. It's time to clean up right now. Okay, can you spot the telephone for me? Where is it? Here is the telephone. Near the flower vase. Where is the mirror in the house? Here is the mirror. Where is the newspaper lying down? Here it is. Okay, let's see. What does Spot do next? It's party time for Spot. It is Spot's birthday today. And he has invited his friends to a birthday party. How old do you think Spot is today? So let us count the candles on Spot's cake to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Spot is 4 years today. Spot's mom has made so much stuff for his friends. You see chips, you see jelly, you see ice cream, we see sandwiches, and there is juice coming along. Everyone is having so much fun with the balloons, with the toys. He's busy playing the airplane. Spot's friends has bring him so many presents. So do you see what is there for the presents? He got a jigsaw puzzle, he got bat and ball, he got teddy bear, he got sailboat. It is fun to have a birthday party, isn't it? Okay, so now it is getting dressed. Spot is helping his friend Steve to do packing for a holiday. Steve can't find a pair of socks that match. Okay, so Steve is trying to find this white sock with red and blue stripes. Can you help find him? Where is the pair of sock? Check under the drawer, Steve. It is under the drawer. Spot is helping do the packing. They have done a lot of mess here. So these are all the clothes, skirt, dress, t-shirt, shoes. These are the sneakers, the socks, sweater is lying here. Helen is busy checking out the dress in the mirror. Finally, it is time to sleep now. It is sleepover. Spot has gone to a sleepover at Helen's place. Spot pretends he is camping out in the sleeping bag. So they have brushed their teeth nicely with the toothpaste, the toothbrush, and now they are sleeping. Sleep well, Spot. Bye-bye. Thank you.